XBar V70 Kit comes with the touch console. Everything you need is all in one package. With just a single USB-C cable, you can connect your laptop instantly. And here's the best part. That one USB-C cable does it all. It enables 4K content sharing, full BYOD meeting with premium audio and video, and up to 65 watts of the fast charging, no more slow charging warnings. One cable, total connectivity. Installing the XBar V70, it is designed to be simple and stress-free. The FlexMount gives you two installation options. Mount it on the wall or place it on the table. Inside the box, you will find the drilling templates that ensure precise hole placement. No measuring required. Mount it, secure it, and you are all done in minutes. Connect power and network, and you are ready to go. Plug and play. Besides, the XBar V70 has a cool design. When you need to debug or do maintenance, just flip it all forwards. You get instant access to all the ports. No need to take it down. Flip it up, check what you need, flip it back securely. It's just simple, efficient, and practical.